Welcome to All American Trailers. The 7x14 Challenger Tandem Enclosed Cargo Trailer is the perfect solution for transporting goods safely and securely. This high-quality trailer is constructed with durable materials to ensure longevity and reliability. The Vnose design of the trailer provides added aerodynamics and extra storage space, making it ideal for hauling a variety of items. The exterior of the trailer is a sleek silver color, giving it a modern and attractive appearance. The spring-assisted ramp with an extension makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the 32-side door with a flush lock provides easy access to the interior. The 24-stone guard protects the trailer from debris and road hazards, while the screwless sides give it a clean and streamlined look. Inside the trailer, you'll find 3 8-plywood walls and a 3/4 plywood floor, providing a sturdy foundation for your cargo. The interior LED light illuminates the space, making it easy to see inside. Even in low light conditions, all LED lights ensure that your trailer is visible and safe on the road, while the 2 light switches give you control over the lighting. The trailer is equipped with tandem axles and electric brakes for maximum stability and control while towing. The ST205/75 radial tires and 5 lug silver mod wheels provide a smooth and reliable ride with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and dealer handling included in the price. You can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Whether you're hauling equipment, tools, furniture, or other items, the 7x14 Challenger Tandem Enclosed Cargo Trailer is up to the task. Its durable construction, convenient features, and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for any hauling needs. Thanks for watching.